it's Jacqueline and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this painting with embroidery home decor DIY for less than $10. Before we get into this video, please don't forget to click like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's get into this video. So here's the breakdown of how much I spent for this DIY, and as you can see right here, the total cost for me to create this was less than $10. The first DIY is this very pretty pink golden sunset, and I paint all of my canvas white to make sure that I have a clean canvas. I draw the pattern that I want using a pencil, so it'll be easy to erase if you make a mistake. I'm drawing some hills and also the sunset. I also drew the beam of the sun, but it is basically useless because I'm going to paint it over and have to draw it all over again. Now moving on to my favorite part of the whole process, which is mixing the colors. For this painting, I want to use orange as the base color, so I'm mixing some red, orange, cream, and brown to darken it up. This dark color is for the lower part of the hills and mountains, and I'm going to lighten the color as I go up. Using the leftover paint, I'm going to mix it with mustard color, yellow, white, and cream to lighten up the color. Once I get the color that I want, I'm going to paint it to the second upper hill. Next, I'm mixing some mustard, white, and a little bit of red to create that perfect sunset color. For the outer background, I'm keeping it simple and light. I'm mixing some cream and further lighten it up using a white paint to create a very sheer color. Now for the sky, I'm going to mix some mustard, cream, white, and yellow to create that golden hour look. Now that we're done with the painting, I'm going to line the border of this painting so it'll be easy for me to trace it with the needle. In order to make embroidery in a canvas, you would have to create holes for your needle to go through, or else it will be messy because you can't really sense where your needle is going. To border the sun, I'm going to use a pink pastel thread because I think it's very pretty in combination with the orange for the sunset look. Next, I'm using navy color for the outer border. And as you can see right here, I'm redrawing the sunbeam. I'm going to combine pink pastel and purple pastel for the sun rays, and I think it ties in with the whole painting, and overall I really like it. So this is the final look. I'm so proud of this DIY, and I think that it's very aesthetic. Now moving on to the second painting, which is this one line silhouette embroidery. This one is a more simple one because I don't want the background to overwhelm the embroidery itself, because the embroidery itself is a little bit complicated already. For the base color, I thought I wanted something mauve, but at first the color was too pink for me, so I went back and added more brown. Once I'm happy with the color, I'm printing a picture as a guidance, so you can choose whatever painting that you like. Then I'm going to trace the painting and make holes with my needle. Then I'm taking a minty green thread because I think it's the perfect contrast color, and I'm going to be doing the back stitch using the holes as the guidelines. So here are the final look. I'm so in love with how they turned out. They're so aesthetic and they're less than $10, which is the best part, and I had a lot of fun making it. So thank you so much for watching till the very end of this video. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!